Census data shows up across at least 4 units of AP Human Geography: population, culture, political districts, urban planning. Most students know the term, but lose easy points on the FRQ. Here's exactly what census data is and what graders want you to say.
Census data is information collected by a government about a population. It includes where people live and demographic characteristics like age, sex, race, household size, income, education, employment, and housing. The U.S. Census, run every 10 years by the Census Bureau, is the most familiar example. The defining feature is universal coverage. A census aims to count everyone, not sample a few. Census tables cover 12 core variables that AP loves to test: total population, age structure, sex breakdown, race and ethnicity, household size, income, education, employment, housing type, migration status, language at home, and commute mode. Each variable ties to political boundaries or functional regions, which is exactly how AP writers expect you to justify comparisons. 2 scale terms you must know. A census tract is a small statistical area inside counties, holding 1,200 to 8,000 residents. Small enough for neighborhood patterns, large enough to protect privacy. A census block is even smaller, often a single city block face. Why this matters? County averages can hide concentrated poverty along industrial corridors. Tract-level data reveals those contrasts. Census data drives major exam topics: population distribution and density, urban planning for schools and transit, political representation through redistricting, public service siting like clinics, migration analysis, inequality studies. The workflow: download tables, join to tract boundaries in GIS, symbolize on a choropleth, and brief decision makers with maps. 3 limitations to mention on FRQs. Undercounting misses homeless residents and people who avoid government forms. Decennial snapshots age fast in growing suburbs. Fixed category boxes simplify blended identities. 3 traps to avoid. First, calling census data perfect. Second, confusing census with surveys. Third, repeating numbers without explaining the spatial pattern or planning implication.
The link below has 22 flashcards and 16 AP-style practice questions on census data. They're built to help you ace the AP exam. Go ahead and try them. Subscribe for new AP videos every week.